In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group by view in Google Sheets with your data already sorted. This technique is incredibly useful if you're looking to break down data into organized sections, making it much easier to analyze trends or patterns. It's simple, quick, and only involves a few steps. So let's get started. First, you want to begin by opening your Google Sheet. This is your blank canvas where all the magic will happen. Make sure you are working on a sheet that contains the data you wish to organize. If you don't have a sheet yet, open Google Sheets and either create a new sheet or open an existing one from your drive. Once your sheet is open and you can see all your data laid out in front of you, the next step is to select all the cells that contain the data you wish to sort. This might sound straightforward, but it's critical to ensure no important data is left out. So just click and drag across all the cells, or if your dataset is extensive, use the shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all data quickly. After the data is selected, you'll want to turn your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Data tab. This tab holds several powerful tools for data manipulation, and it's where we'll find the option we need today. Clicking on Data reveals a drop-down menu with various choices. Now, look for the option that says Create a Group by View. When you select this option, it tells Google Sheets that you want to start grouping your data based on specific criteria you will select. It's like telling the sheet to organize a messy drawer so that everything is nice and tidy. With that option selected, you can now choose how you'd like to group your data. For demonstration purposes, let's say you have a column labeled Grade. Click on Grade or whatever column header best categorizes your data. The idea here is that this column will serve as the key by which the data is organized. Clicking on the column header initiates the process, and Google Sheets will automatically group your data according to the values in the Grade column. This presentation style makes it so much easier to parse through and understand large datasets because everything is arranged based on the grouping criteria you set. And that's it. You've now successfully created a group by view in Google Sheets with your data sorted, ensuring a more streamlined and practical analysis. Experiment with different dataset groups to see what works best for you, and watch how much simpler your data management becomes. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.